Hello, great people. Welcome back once again to my channel. Today we are going to look at simplification of surds. Surd is expressions we have under the root sign. So we are going to see how we can simplify surds. Surds is an extension of exponent. It is similar to what we do with exponent. Remember, under exponent, when you get an expression, reduce everything, every base to the lowest possible base. That is also what we do here, and that helps us to simplify. If we look at this, we have root 2, root 20, root 10, root 2. So, possibly the lowest possible root here is 2. So, we work towards simplifying everything to get closer to the base of 2. So, how do we get this to get to the base of 2? This can be 2 times 10. This can be 2 times 5. This is 2. This is 2. But first things first, always make sure that you check that whatever number you are using can actually have a perfect square, because that is the essence of simplification. If I use 2 times 5, I still have 10 inside here. Nothing has been simplified. But I can think of what I can use to make it simpler. Another thing is, remember that this is multiplication. So the laws of multiplication says add the exponent, and it also applies to this. In multiplying sum, if they have the same root, I can just put both of them inside the roots, and I will have my answer. So root of x times root of y will be root of x times y. Root of x times y. Now, how do we go about this? So we can actually take this and make it root of 20 times 10. In what? 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times 10 is 200. And we have x to the power of 5 times this is x to the power of 6. Plus root of 2x to the power of 6. Divided by root of 2x to the power of 3. Remember, this x to the power of 3 is outside the roots. Now, let's apply what I explained earlier. 200 can be broken down to 2 times 100. So here we can have this as root of 2 times root of 2. Let's put this x to the power of 6 times root of 100. Plus root of 2x to the power of 6. Divided by root of 2 into x to the power of 3 outside. What next? Root of 100 is 10. So we have 10 root of 2x to the power of 6. Plus root of 2x to the power of 6 divided by root of 2x to the power of 3. Now, if we check this and this, you will see that we have like terms there. If we have like terms, we can add them up. We can add them up. Now, this means that we have 11 root of 2x to the power of 6 divided by root of 2x to the power of 3 outside. What else can we do? This is the same thing as having root of 2 times root of x to the power of 6. So we can also, the way we can also put them together, we can also separate them. This cannot be resolved. Remember, we are doing this without a calculator. But this can be resolved because root of x to the power of 6 divide the exponent, that is rational exponent, the dividing exponent with the roots. So we have x to the power of 3. So this will give us 11 root 2 x to the power of 3 outside. And here we have root 2x to the power of 3 in the denominator. This solves our problem. 2 root 2 will cancel out root 2, x to the power of 3 will cancel out x to the power of 3, and our final answer will be 11. So using the laws of surd and simplification method, understanding that surds can be broken down, they can also be brought together under one root if they have the same root. Remember, square root and square root, you cannot bring them together if it is square root and cube roots. That way we can break them down, we can bring them together, we can simplify without a calculator, and this is where we landed. Please, if you need more clarity on this, do not hesitate to ask, and I'm here to support. God bless you.